Today my baby is of 37 weeks. I have go to the doctor for antenatal checkup. Let's see.
Best of luck, dear.
Hey Leslie, you know that you are term now, and on ultrasound I found that you have a breech baby. Mean baby has malpresentation.
Why it happened to me?
Hey, don't worry. Breech presentation is a very common presentation. About 3 to 4% of pregnant ladies suffer from this. It has many causes. Most commonly the fibroid uterus, congenital uterine abnormalities, placenta previa, multiple gestations, prematurity, fetal abnormality, oligohydramnios or polyhydramnios. But it is always not necessary to find any cause. As in your case, I could not find any cause. So your baby is healthy.
Then how I can deliver this baby?
When a pregnant lady has a breech baby, she can deliver this baby by 3 modes. Number 1, elective C-section, which is the best mode of delivery. Number 2, external cephalic version. Number 3, vaginal breech delivery. As the weight of your baby is more than 3.5 kg, so you are not the candidate for vaginal breech delivery, as your breech is a footling breech, which is a type for breech baby. So you are also not a candidate for external cephalic version. You are left with only one option, that is a elective C-section. So kindly go for that. You must go for planned C-section.
Why it happened to me? What will happen now?
Hi, why you are sad? What happened?
I am worried. Today doctor told me that I have breech baby on ultrasound. She said I must go for C-section. I do not want C-section. I am afraid of operation.
Do not worry, Lizzie. Do what your doctor says. She knows best.
Then we went for C-section. It does not matter how you deliver baby. Important thing is that you and your baby must be safe.
Remember one thing, when you have a breech baby at term, there are only 8% chances that it will convert into cephalic presentation. So best mode of delivery is that you must have planned C-section. Nowadays, vaginal breech delivery is nearly not recommended because there are higher chances of maternal and fetal mortality. You can go for external cephalic version, but it must be ultrasound guided by an expert only, where the facility of emergency C-section is available. And the prerequisites of external cephalic version should be fulfilled, and the patient should be consulted about its complications. So the safe procedure is elective C-section. You must take care of yourself because it is about 2 lives.